guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Astrid for anyone that's new. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing of this Melody SUZIE e-file, but it is a little bit different from the last video that I unboxed the e-file for, which is this one here. Yeah, so if we can remember, it was an electric e-file and this is what came in there, and it was portable, so it didn't have to stay connected the whole time. But since then I have managed to ruin that wire, and they don't sell like replacement, like the hand part basically that just plugs into here. That would be awesome because this still works perfectly fine, and I basically just don't have a cable because one of my bits broke inside of the machine and the wire was messed up, so I had to get another one. Okay, but that one was like £70 and I just could not like give out that much money at the time, so I thought, okay, let me try this. And so let's just have a look at what this one is like. So the box is a lot smaller. I bought it on Amazon and it is an e-file, but it's just a little bit different. Okay, so this is how it comes. There's nothing else in there. Oh, there is. Okay, yeah, so it's a 𝘕𝘢𝘪𝘭 nail drill. This is a user manual, but we all know what e-files do, yeah? They're basically just like electric nail files. Save you some time. So it comes with the actual hand part, and this is a lot smaller. I wish I kept my last one, but I got rid of it already. It's so much lighter, so much smaller, so it's going to be a little bit easier to use, or maybe I'm going to have to get used to using that one now. It also comes with the extra bits, and honestly, out of all of these, the only one I do tend to use is the 𝘠𝑀 bit for sanding. But all of these I kind of don't use because I already have my like official branded bits that are just perfect. They work so well. So I just tend to have a collection of these and don't really use them, but I go through the sanding bands, yeah? A whole bunch of sanding bands, and I think these ones are fine. Okay guys, my son is running around at this point, so you might hear him, you know, making noises here and there, but cool, let's continue. In the pack comes the actual power line basically, and so this is the only thing that would, you know, frustrate me because I got so used to being able to move around freely. Now I will have to keep this connected to a power source, which is okay, I guess. I'm just gonna get used to it. I do always sit by my extension cable anyway, which is plugged into the 𝘠𝑬₪ or the dust collector, so I'm sure it's not going to be so bad. Getting used to this right here is probably going to be the most frustrating thing for me, because right here, you know, I just turn it on and I can see, you know, where it's at, and honestly the difference from each number is very real. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna have to get used to it basically, and just this is what it is, guys. This is what I'm gonna have to get used to. Hold on. Look at this. Okay, so it does still have the reverse and forward, and I'm assuming this is off. And then I don't even know if this is like, I'm sure this is like the beginning, and then this is gonna be like the fastest speed. Also, I'm gonna have to double check what speed this goes up to, even though I never really pass 15,000 rotations a minute. But where's that user manual? See, now I need it. Well, it doesn't say, but I'll check online. If I do see it on the Amazon page listing, I'm gonna pop it up here. Boop. And if I didn't find it, it's gonna say, sorry, couldn't find it, okay? I'm just gonna quickly plug it in as well and show you guys how this works. So let's get into it. I'm honestly maybe like a meter away, and that's as far as I can go, okay? So it's gonna annoy me and I'm gonna have to get used to it, but it's okay. Like, you can't even see the speed control in the video, okay? But let's just test this out. Okay, how do I unlock this? Does it have a lock and an unlock? What in the world? Okay. Oh, okay, guys. Well, this has like a really nice hold in there, and I'm assuming you just push it in. Let me see how far it can go. Okay. Interesting. Okay, I thought every e-drill had a lock and unlock. Okay, so let me just put this on forward. And I'm gonna let you guys see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, nothing's happening. Okay, there we go. I just had to move it up to forward a little bit more. So yes, I'm assuming. Okay, so I had it wrong. Oh, I see. So it just stays on, and that's why there's like a middle between the forward and reverse. Okay. Now let me see the speed. Okay, I was also wrong about the speed, guys. I'm so sorry. So let me just quickly show this to you. I'll turn it off. Okay guys, so yes, this is reverse, this is forward, which most of us have it on most of the time. I put it on reverse when I'm doing my right hand, and that middle line there is off basically, okay? And in terms of the speed control, this right here was the slowest and this was fast. When it was on its fastest, it didn't feel as fast as my last e-file, so I don't know if it's up to, you know, 30,000 rotations, but it felt good enough basically. So yes guys, that was my update, and it was a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys that I'm going to have a new drill, you know, just in case anyone notices. You probably wouldn't, but yes, this is what I'm going to be working with now, and I will be reviewing it in the next few videos because I will be doing the nail tutorials. So yes, I'm going to be letting you know how it works and everything, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And yes, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Check out some other videos, okay? Love you. Bye.